Let's look at the experience section of your resume a little more closely and go over some specific things you can do to improve this part. So as far as the job description, you want to include these particular parts. You want to include the company name, the location, the number of years you have worked, and the short summary of your competencies and achievements. Action words are important. There's some examples here: acquired, analyzed, generated, composed. And you don't want to put it in a paragraph form. You want to use bullet points to identify the different competencies and achievements. So let's look at a longer list of tips that you can use to create a really great job description. So again, you want to begin each work experience by stating the name of the job title, company name, and dates, i.e. manager, volunteer, some title examples. You want to list your work experience in reverse chronological order. So you have the most recent, the next most recent, the next most recent, all the way to the least recent. You want to describe things briefly, your responsibilities, accomplishments, and achievements in as few words as you can. This really helps with connecting to the reader and understanding what are the most important parts about your experience. You want to focus on the skills and the strengths, so the things that you are most confident in sharing to the reader of the resume. And obviously, if you are applying in different industries, you want to make sure that your resume is industry specific with the keywords in the particular resume that you are sending to the company. Be careful with grammar. You want to use tenses wisely. Make sure that you have subject-verb agreement and that you have consistent tense agreement throughout the sentence. So past tense, past tense, past tense, or present, present, present. And avoid personal pronouns. It can sound unprofessional. You also want to make sure that you have clear, quantifiable facts in your job description bullet points. 40%, as you can see in the examples, 5, 3,000, 14 costumes. It's very clear numbers. So let's look at an example here, and we can identify the clear and concise action words that are used, and action verbs in this case. So at the top, you can see the name of the company, the location, the title of the position, and the dates. And below in our bullet points, let's just go through all of the action words that are used. We have ensured, supervised and trained, formulated and maintained, assisted. And so in the top bullet point, ensured safety. And the second one, supervised and trained 8 lifeguards. So it's clarifying what happened with the safety of customers, what happened with these 8 lifeguards. Now in this example, there's a little bit more than just the clear and concise action words. We also have the quantifiable facts. So again, you have the title of the position, name of the companies, start dates, and then we can see in bold at the beginning of the top 3 bullet points, the action words: managed, worked, identified. And then we have the quantifiable facts, which is 15 projects for 3 years, for example. In the 4th bullet point, we actually just have a list of languages, programming languages that the person is proficient in, and those are facts. And we want to include those. Those are hard skills as well. So stay tuned in helping to create a great resume, and I'll see you next time.